How to download Facebook Messenger chat conversations 2026. Want to download your Facebook Messenger chat conversations? Here's the quick and official method. Step 1. Open the Facebook app or go to the Facebook website and log in to your account. Step 2. Tap your profile picture and open Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Select Settings, then scroll to Your Information. Step 4. Tap Download Your Information. Step 5. Choose Messages Only, then select the date range, file format, HTML or JSON, and media quality. Step 6. Tap Create File and wait for Facebook to prepare your data. Step 7. Once ready, download the file and open it to view your Facebook Messenger conversations.